Alright everybody, welcome to a super fun gear unboxing. So, pretty excited for this. This is going to be the first of the series. So I just wanted to take one moment to welcome you back again. This is awesome. I can't wait to open this up. I believe that these are two tactical pens. So, without further ado, let's check it out. It's packaged in a standard envelope. Get the old knife. Here we go. Alright. What we got here? We got two kind of cool cardboard cases. Kind of nice black cases. So let's check out the first one. Aha! Black tactical pen. And kind of like a cool alloy gold. Wow. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. Look at this. Let's check it out. Okay, so it comes preloaded with an ink cartridge. That's sweet. This right here, oh, that's cool. You can see that. Yeah, that'll break something. That'll break some glass for sure. So let's do a. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait a sec. I think I messed up the spring. Oh yeah, the spring came out. Whoops. It kind of fits in there like that. I really have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, well it's just, oh, okay, so this one works. Just works off the bat. See if I got a piece of paper here. Burn test. Ah, very good. Well, I'll figure that one out later. Maybe I'll figure it out now. Oh, I know what happened. That's the old mistake. Traditional tactical pen blunder. Now you know. And blunder step 2. What's next? Okay, it just kind of fits in like that. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Yep, that'll do something. That's sweet. It's got a really good grip. This seems very strong. Ouch. Ooh, I'm denting my desk. Wow, these are cool. You know, like I mentioned, I always wanted one of these. Kind of attach two together, and your tactical advantage just went tenfold. I don't know. That's hilarious. Amazing. Tactical pen. This could be used for breaking out of a car window, breaking, you know, who knows, you're scavenging an abandoned building for, you know, your own purposes, hopefully survival and not trespassing related. Yeah, very, very cool. Self-defense kind of pen. So next time you find yourself in a tricky situation when you're just, you know, making a note somewhere, hey, note, this is a note. Next time you find yourself, doing that, then bam, life saved. Cool. So there's nothing, mostly just a foam case there. Doesn't really have too much else. Yeah, it's just kind of like a slot where you can put the ink cartridge if you like. This one is the same. Just double check. Yeah, it looks the same. It's just a piece of foam. Very cool. Whoops. Very, very awesome. I'm super happy with this. there you have it, my friends, the tactical pen. Hopefully that's centered.